Hey everybody, so for today's video, I will be sharing with you what I am going today. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 27 degrees. It's pretty cold. I will be showing you our kabukidan. So as you can see, there is no dahon na. That used to be a puno ning lube. There's a lot of puno ning lube behind me before. That puno is puno ning kayomito. This one right here, this is a dahon ng artemisa. And this one right here naman is puno ning bayawas. There's a lot of bunga during summertime. That one na natumba, that is puno ning mangga. And that one right here is our tulay. That is our bangkiruhan. This one right here behind me, this is our daon ng kalunggay. It's so luyos na. It's so cold na kasi outside eh. Sure! There is so many puno here that I don't really recognize na kasi it's winter time. This one is luya. So dry na din. That area naman, there's a lot of abaca there before. So yun lang for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Merry Christmas, everybody! I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget what you did last December. You left my heart a mess. But you blew it. How could you do it? Do it, do it, do it.